Okay, we're starting in just like 3 minutes, and we're gonna start with color mixing. So I'm just warming up before the warm-up, and this is a reminder that you can mix things in your palette, or you can also mix them on the paper. This paper is probably not the best for it, but for a watercolor paper, this would definitely work. Just to mix things on it. Good morning. It is the day after. I am so sorry if you were unable to join the Zoom call. I am so sorry. April, I know you wrote that you're trying to get in. I don't know what was going on. My iPad was messed up and I had to switch to my phone, and I'm not sure that everyone were able to like wait and get in. So I'm really sorry. Hopefully I can figure it out and next time it'll be okay. First time was fine. And then the second time I was trying to have like 2 cameras so you can see what I'm doing, and that messed everything up and I wasn't able to do that, and then people couldn't get in because, I don't know, my phone like created another chat, and yeah, so again, I'm so sorry. Please bear with me. You do have access to the recording, and hopefully next week it won't happen. I don't know what I'll do. I'll like switch off my phone or something. It messed everything up. So I am on my end. I'm still kind of struggling to host the Zoom call and also focus on what I'm doing. It's very challenging for me. We'll see if I get the hang of it or how that works. So I was enjoying mixing colors. I used this ultramarine, this kind of yellow ochre color, and this hot pink. And I really love the colors that you get, especially I love the kind of orangey colors and the greens. The purples are a bit like less my thing, but like this whole thing, absolutely love it. And then when you start adding all 3 colors, then you can really kind of neutralize the colors. And also if you add white, you get like these pastel-y pretty colors. And then we did kind of color studies, and I started with like abstract. That was the prompt. So I kind of started here, and then again I was so distracted by the conversation that I just started doing kind of swatches. But I did get to do some landscape abstract or abstract landscapes, which I really like, and especially what I like about these, which is quite uncharacteristic for me. Is that a word? I'm not sure. But you can see that actually the colors I have here, there isn't anything that is really the pure colors. And I actually really like it. I think it creates, especially like these ones, which are kind of warmer, like all of these more muted colors. So these are all from the same 3 colors, but a more muted palette with just like a pop, a bit of a pop here of the pink and yellow. So it's kind of like a corally color, like a very warm pink. So these were like really fun. And I think mostly I don't paint just with watercolors. So I think these would be great as just like placeholders, like first layer, and then go in with pencils or pastels and add some details and line work. But it was a really fun palette to work with, and I also enjoyed adding white. It helps to create like these kinds of colors. These The white just adds like muddiness and a bit of opacity, and I really like that. I find that sometimes if you're not using white, you're just using mostly transparent watercolors. When you want those light colors, you have to use a lot of water and you kind of lose intensity and it looks very, very pale and flat. And I found, like for me, that adding white really helps kind of lift those lighter colors. So this is what I made. I had a lot of fun. I think the most fun thing is to just like chat with you and see the faces behind the, you know, comments and just, you know, create together. Even if we're just, well, me, not doing anything substantial, but this is all learning and it all accumulates to something that you can use later, or for me, that I can use later when I am more focused.